Alright, let's put it together. We'll start by opening an assembly file. Assembly standard meter. Create. And we'll place the bracket. Find it. Documents. Got the bracket right there. I could just drag it over, huh? Okay, so I'm just going to right click and say place grounded at origin. That's all I need to do, and then say okay. Now let's bring in the wheel. Good Lord. Keep going to these other directories. Wheel. Pop that right there. Click that. Let me do this. Just going to do this. Can't just drag that over. I thought I could. Maybe not. I do this. There we go. There we go. Took it over from the browser. Alright. I'm going to change this view. I like to see my part lines. Alright, so now we're going to put the wheel in there with a constraint. I'm going to do a mating constraint. So facing each other, probably doesn't even really matter. We'll start with the YZ plane on the bracket. And YZ plane on the wheel. Apply that. You see that it's got it stuck in there. I can only go. I can't go on the X or the Z axis. Well, I can go on the Z axis. I can't go on the X axis. I can go on the Z and the Y. This is Z. This is Y. X would pull it in front, which it won't do. And we need to put constraint through center, and I'm going to use axis there, and that axis there, and that should line that right up. And it is. Let's do the same thing with the pin. Constraint from that axis to that axis. Flip it over to the other side just because it can. Let's see. Do it like that. There we go. Apply that. And then we'll line up this surface here with this surface here. There we go. That's it. That's the assembled bracket, wheel, and pin.